we have already given us the diagnosis. It is lymphoplasmacytic lymphoma. And you just need to know this. The answer is hepatitis C. HTLV for one would not be the answer here. Why? Because we are talking about plasma site or plasma cells. Okay, so because we are talking about the plasma cells, it is a B cell lymphoma, and here the name itself suggests human T cell lymphocytic lymphotropic virus. Okay, so this is something that you rule out first. So your HTLV is not the answer. HIV will present with diffuse B cell lymphoma of sorts. Your Epstein-Barr virus will give you your Burkitt's lymphoma, your primary brain lymphoma. Then you're left with your HHV8 and hepatitis C. Uh, and the answer here is your hepatitis C virus.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.